Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Honda Civic EX. Comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated bucket seats, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and so much more. Go check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and storage on the bottom, right next to the speakers. It's coming up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a chrome accent handle and your trunk release. You're going to have these cloth, all black heated bucket seats, super comfortable, both manually adjustable. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your driver awareness, like road mitigation, lane keep assist. Left side of steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control and voice recognition. On the bottom, the heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your lane keep assist again, gap adjuster, and your cruise control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your customization display, safety support, your maintenance gauges, seat belts, driver attention, all that fun stuff. It's going to be push to start on the side there, dual zone climate control with the heated seats. Infotainment is pretty straightforward. You can have your Bluetooth connectivity or your wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you can access pretty much all of your settings here from anything you need. Below you're going to have a USB port as well as a 12-volt with some extra storage. Of course, you're going to have the shifter and the cup holder with eco and auto stop, as well as your parking brake and center console with more storage inside. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable, heated. Vents go all the way across as well. Speakers up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps and your power sliding sunroof. Look at these 16-inch wheels on Bridgestone Blizzak studless tires, paint match mirror caps with keyless entry door handles. Tinted rear glass in the back. Back here. Oh, there we go. You got the trunk release, the Civic all-weather mats. Lift above it. You are going to also have extra wheel well storage and tools down below. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. Again, more storage on the bottom of the door next to the speakers. Power window and speakers up top. Back. Pretty decent legroom. You're gonna have 2 USB ports right in the middle, cup holder and armrest right on the side, with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, thank you so much for watching today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2023 Honda Civic EX. Comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as heated bucket seats, power sliding sunroof, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.